Hello. Sorry, there was some problem.
This is
Hello.
regular thing of
Hello.
hello. Yeah, you can start.
Yeah, sorry. There was some problem. Yeah. Now back to your our this Akir charts. And Dr. Mahesh Gandhi, who is a psychiatrist, very good in all psychiatric cases with homeopathic medicines. He taught us, although from A to Z, all medicines are suited for all the diseases, but when you read this, when you study this evolutionary chart, you can make out that first three columns of this is Magnolidae, Hemimelidae, and Caryophyllae. Till that stage, all the drugs which are here and first and second row of this chart, remedies are excellent remedies for ADHD. This we will see each row in detail next. This is how, this is a simple form of chart. I'll show you, wait. See, you can see this first subclass is, she says, before separation. It is from the point of fertilization. Then this is 3 months. Then it is just during the birth. This is infancy, childhood, and this is a last class. Now, we will see other chart, which we have already seen here. Before I go further, this book is by Dr. Akir about this evolutionary chart, and she explains each plant remedy drugs. It's a wonderful book, and whatever we have practiced with the drugs, if you read this book, you get new phase of that drug. So if possible, if you get this book somewhere, you please read. And there are 6 rows in this chart and 9 columns. Whereas in mineral chart, we had 6. Sorry, this is other way. There are 9 rows and 6 columns here. We will see each column and the drugs we use for ADHD. First column is Magnolidae column. This subclass corresponds to the stage of human embryogenesis, which begins from the moment of fertilization till the formation of fetus in the beginning of the 9th week. So it is not even formed, but that is what you see in hydrogen and helium. Am I there or not? In that period it is there. So here sensation will be chaos and confusion, and patient will say we are feeling lost, bewildered, and strange. For ADHD, from this group, which I have never heard, I have never, maybe I have never recognized such patient in my clinic. I came across 2 drugs which can be used for this ADHD condition. In first column, just I have given you two examples. Further studies we can do in future if time permits or lockdown extends. We can plan other classes also. This in first column there are 2 remedies: Cubeba officinalis and Camphora officinalis. Camphora, we all know, it is such a famous drug now for corona and other things. I personally never thought camphor can be used for ADHD. But only after going through this PEM model, I understood camphora can be a best remedy for ADHD. Cubeba, whoever done FCH with me can remember seeing one case of Cubeba officinalis where child had ADHD. Important thing what I learned from FCHE through Dr. Rajan Shankaran was giving equal importance to pregnancy history. Here, when asked mother's pregnancy history, mother gave exact picture of Cubeba and same remedy was suited for child also. Usually in Cubeba, you can see child is childish, immature, needs to get what he wants here and now. The child was rolling on the floor and crying if he doesn't get anything, angry and cursing. Perhaps when things don't go according to his will. Sorry. He'll will. Child is very abusive, lewd, obscene stop, and shameless behavior. Involuntary urination, craving for a milk and raw food. Before we go further, lot of ADHD cases, they don't come directly saying that I have ADHD. They actually come for something like involuntary urination, or they say bedwetting, or that say child is not concentrating. Only after taking case we can, to some extent, we can know whether it is ADHD or ADD or autism or any condition. But patient nowadays, it is city patients will come and say, doctor, he is diagnosed with ADHD. Otherwise, only through symptoms. Only they come with some other problem, and then we will know ADHD, and when it is cured, we will know I have cured ADHD, or there is an improvement in ADHD also. So second drug, what in column 1 we saw was Camphora officinalis. Very interesting symptom here is these patients will learn foreign languages very fast. I'll tell you one, I had a patient recently. He came and told me, doctor, we are Tamilians, but my son speak Kannada so well because lot of people are Kannadigas in our flat. But in Tamil, he is trying very hard. No other language, other than Tamil, he is okay with the other languages. So foreign languages, any language which is not his own language. That child is doing very well with Camphora. I have given him only 200 few doses. I was also surprised because in cities, you don't go to others' houses so often. But with playing time only, he has learnt this other language so well. Yet he feels like a stranger in familiar places. Afraid to sleep, afraid of dark, afraid of night. The fear of death is often related to the fear of disappearing. That is because of this column. Because it is just fertilization has happened. Fetus is forming. So there is a fear of getting disappeared, of dissolving, of being gone. And child will have terrible fear of being left alone. There are so many other drugs in column 1, but I thought these two are very often used. So we'll go to next column. Sorry for beginners. I understand you find it difficult to understand this concept, but just be there. Just come across, there are some 6 columns, there's something new happening, which maybe you are not aware that there is something happening like PEM. This is a just attempt to introduce something new to people who doesn't know about this. I have some friends who are really masters in this already, but please bear with me. Second column is called as Hamamelidae column. This column corresponds to the period in the womb from the 3rd month after fertilization until the birth. It is a stage of the unborn fetus in the post-embryonic period. Sensation here will be heavy, dragged down, pressed, compressed, shut in and open, free, flying. So drugs, remedies, what I have chosen here is, any guess? Very, very famous drug, cannabis indica. Again, I recently had a child. They bought him saying that he is not concentrating in a school. He's very lazy. So many tuitions, it is not useful. 1 hour he will really study. When ask him to write, he doesn't write anything. Then I was just asking child gave me lot of fear symptoms. Then mother told me second child is diagnosed with ADHD. Very common drug, what I used to think before was stramonium, capsicum, calcarea group of remedies. My knowledge were very limited because I knew only few remedies which can be used for ADHD. But now, after learning this method, no, that horizon is now, it is little bigger. I can think other remedies also for ADHD. So I have given cannabis indica to that child. We will see what happens. The symptoms what we see is it presents a central opposition between restriction and freedom. Feels restricted and threatened by the physical world. Living in reality doesn't feel pleasant, especially when it comes to course demanded by daily life, like school homework. Wants to flee, to fly away towards the light, wants to be caressed. They have usually addiction tendencies, increased appetite, anorexia, and bulimia. This is all because that child is inside the womb. Second drug which is used very common is ficus religiosa. Here the child shows concentration is difficult, cannot fix the attention, exhausted following mental effort, feel he is not feeling heard. This is column 2 drugs. We will go to next column. This is third column, Caryophyllaceae. Here, the stage of coming out of the womb. If you remember, all borax-like medicines belong to this. And sensation will be small and big and up and down. Because contraction, sometimes it contracts and expands, they will have this sensation. Drug here is anholinum. This is not my case. This case is written by Acker in her book. It is a nice case, so I thought I'll share with you. A boy, 15 years old, comes with a complaint of ADHD. Boy said, I find myself sitting and staring or feel an uncontrollable need to move. I like sports and drumming. I like it because that is where I can show my anger, which I have a lot. Wants to be alone, less social. I am angry at injustice. His interest and hobbies are art and history because he wants to know real meaning of religion, which he never got. He has fear of dying, dreams of huge shape, which is very big, and suddenly that shape shrinks. He had bedwetting, which he never wanted to discuss. After giving anholinium remedy, his concentration improved and his bedwetting has gone. This is what happening to me before I came to know all these methods. They used to come for bedwetting. I used to give some medicine, seeing the symptoms. Bedwetting used to be better, but other all symptoms I felt because I never gave in, because they came for bedwetting and the child is better with bedwetting. I have not much given concentration to other things. What happened to child as a set of symptoms what they gave, no? The patient is also happy because patient's bedwetting is better. So somewhere in this juncture, I thought I should upgrade. See how beautifully everything patient as a whole is better in these cases. Fourth column is delineate. Here, mother and child relation is very important. I will tell you why important in next case. Ability to remain stable and lack of protection, and they are very vulnerable. So I have chosen one remedy. This is Thea sinensis. It is nothing but our tea leaves. As I told you, something happened. Sorry. Yeah, as I told you, that it is so important to see mother's history during pregnancy. Here, this remedy, first mother history when taken, I don't know how it is overlapped. Yeah. So first when how Thea Sinesis mother gives her history. As it is mother-child relation column, mother history during pregnancy is very important. Mother is immature and unpreparedness to be a mother. Impair motherhood such as impulse to kill her children. This can manifest also as a suicidal repression after delivery. In child, you can see terrible attacks of rage, altercation of mood, great lack of confidence, restless and hyperactive babies who can't fall asleep at night. Many times such cases, both mother and child require same medicine. And there is these first set of symptom what we saw in mother. Dr. Gandhi was telling ADHD, you cannot say you can see only in kid. Only child doesn't show ADHD symptoms. Many times even in adult cases you can see ADHD. This I learned only after joining his course. So you can think of Thea when there is such symptoms in adult. You can also think, consider chocolate and cola nut for the when you have same set of symptom in mother and child. Fifth column we have Rosidae. This is me and other, taking its own path. Facing here from here, all these four columns are more of feminine character, but here slowly your masculine principle come into force. So here, from here you can see the time of a father. Child talk more about all this magnesia and other cases, you see mother. They say mother did like this, mother did not care me, but here father come into the picture. Time of father under parental suppression. There is a lot of rules, regulation and rigidity. All the problems are because of rules, regulation and rigidity in this set of remedies. So here I have taken three remedies. One is granatum. Granatum is nothing but our pomegranate. And this comes in a first row and fifth column. And this patient, again, it is an adult ADHD patients. Very rarely you see child granatum case. You see more of adult ADHD cases. So granatum in row that comes in a row 1 and the fifth column. They talk of their connection with the death, birth, and everything it entails. Collapse during the birth and general difficulty with separation. There is also dominant behavior like a queen and excessive need for attention from the father. And next drug, when I was using reference work from Synergy, I got this. But there is not much literature about this. This is nothing but our common flaxseed. So I have to do some research on this drug, why this drug is, although it is in the column 5, but why flaxseed is wonderful drug for ADHD, we are yet to read. And other adult ADHD case drug is coca. So whoever did course must have seen last time one case of coca, which was really good. So last column is asteroids column. This is again masculine one, and they have developed super ego is developed here, but returning to being with the world while maintaining individuality. See, what comes after sixth column is again the first column. So many drugs which we are using now, like stramonium, arnica, cinna, chamomilla, all those drugs come under column 6. Also, this is a last column, but because it is nearer to the first column, all the drug which we used to use before, or belladonna, capsicum, stramonium, all Solanaceae family and Compositae family, and there is a Coffea cruda. All these drugs come under column 6, which we used to use very often before. If not for ADHD, at least for the fear and bedwetting especially. Whoever comes gives all the symptoms, either Calcarea group or Solanaceae group. But now our horizon is now bigger. We can think other column drugs also. So this plant kingdom, I did little more slides and more work so that we can learn. For your understanding, I want to show the chart once again, because when see, this is what I was talking for column 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So from the birth to the more than that, what we say is no ego to full ego. No ego, so you are more into ADHD. So we will go to mineral drugs which we use in ADHD. I have not done column wise or row wise for this. I have just written what all mineral drugs you can use. I can tell you one thing, first 3 rows of mineral kingdom is very, very useful for ADHD. Like hydrogen, helium, oxygen, nitrogen, all noble gases. And halogens like bromatum and iodum, all baryta salts, calcarea salts, especially calcarea iode, because it shows a lot of aggression, lot of anger. Those remedies are very good remedies for ADHD. And we have fluoric acid and very, very common used drug phosphorus. I remember giving more calcareas and phosphorus, some baryta. I never thought of hydrogen, helium and other noble gases for ADHD before learning all this method. So these are mineral kingdom remedies. Maybe in future we will take column wise and row wise and read together more about this ADHD in mineral kingdom. A new concept what we all learned from PEM model. Now we know there is one chart from plant. We have one chart from mineral. This chart is developed by Dr. Mahesh Gandhi for same personal evolution model from your birth to your death. Here evolution, human evolution again stuck somewhere. He has made invertebrate and vertebrate different rows, different parts. In that first 3 column, aquatic animals, and then terrestrial. In that we have again other sub this. Again here, after seeing many cases, he says, Dr. Gandhi tells us that first 3 column drugs, remedies are more useful for ADHD, and some mammal remedies also are very useful. So we'll go to animal remedies. No. Okay. In mammals, lac glamma, lac felinum, lac humanum, lac delphinum. Whoever knows about the dolphin theory can connect to lac delphinum. Delphinium is a wonderful drug for ADHD. And lac lupinum. This is all milk of the mammals used for ADHD. And there are spiders like tarantula and Arania ixobola, which some cases we have seen and we also use in our daily practice. And fishes like Asteris rubens and Gadus marua and cod liver oil, that is nothing but Oleum jacoris acalle is also used. And mollusk, squid, and sponges, Spongia and Bediaga. And we have reptile cases, Lachesis, Crotalus horridus, and python. And in amphibia, we have used Bufo. We don't have each case, but nowadays my approach to case taking using drugs and understanding drugs have changed. So you can also try all these drugs. And nosodes. Before I used to use more of tuberculinum and carcinosin, but now we have understood why DPT, MMR, and you saw in reference work we got this Gartner, that is Bacillus Gartner. So there are so many other nosodes also which can be used for ADHD, but very close to my heart is carcinosin. See what has happened nowadays. Whole world is full of rules for children. You go to school, teacher doesn't allow you to drink water. She doesn't allow you to go to a restroom. She doesn't allow you to speak to next person who is sitting. Only rules, so much of restrictions. And child comes back to home. Mother is with a plan. As soon as it comes home, get ready, go to classes, come back, 9 o'clock, go to bed, because you will not get up early in the morning. You have to, whether you like it or not, you have to sleep. Then again morning get up. So most of the cases needing nosode is carcinosin again, according to me. It's a wonderful remedy for not only ADHD, for all autistic spectral disorders. Child is mild, yielding, and sensitive to reprimands. And hyperactivity is not very marked in carcinosin patient like what you see in tuberculinum and other drugs. May have interest in artwork like drawing, singing, coloring, etc. But we have given less opportunity because they have to score the marks. Very affectionate and sympathetic patients. And usually there will be a family history of cancer, diabetes, and coronary artery diseases. Child is often slow, but agreeable and caring. So this very often I use nowadays, especially children who come with very sophisticated schools, who train children to score marks. So I began ADHD cases with one single dose of carcinosin. Then I'll see what drug is suited. Then I'll think about the constitutional drug. So as I was joking in the early, before starting the webinar, please no question answers. I have to learn a lot, but I can help you if you have any queries regarding this charts or regarding the drugs. Please write to me, or most of you have my number. You can ask me. Anything, Rekha ma'am?
I will tell you. Please, you unmute yourself and ask questions. Any questions? You can unmute yourself and ask.
Yeah, you were telling about carcinosin. I'm Dr. Rajesh Jyoti.
Yeah, tell me, sir.
You can tell me that regarding carcinosin, that red mole you can identify in the children when you're doing
Okay,
a
sir.
physical education.
Red mole, sir. Where, sir? Where exactly it is?
See, any of the body, if he is having a red mole, it's a good indicator
Okay.
for choosing
Thank you, sir. I
carcinosin.
didn't know that. Yeah.
Yeah. Please ask questions, unmuting yourself. You can even start your video. This will be a discussion, so we can see each other. Yeah, please. Any questions? Yeah, Ramya, you have any question?
Ma'am, actually, all these are new to me. I have to read all these.
I understand, Dr. Ramya. I know. But I thought somewhere we need to know, no, that there is something else is also
Yeah.
happening. Other than all
Yeah,
our
that is. Yes, madam.
yeah, other than all what we are reading, we many
Yes.
times not aware that there are some other things, new things are happening around us. So I thought especially
Yes.
all this southern people were not aware that it is happening. Only Bombay people know.
Yes.
So I thought I will
Yeah.
introduce this to you all so that you also get acquainted.
Actually,
And
it's a
you will
great
also.
help. It is a great help, and there are many medicine which I can read and I can ponder into. I'm so happy to get all these things, all these books also. I'll go through these. Then also, ma'am, mostly you told about ADHD cases. About this, you told in the womb, in the particular stages you told, no? Column 1, column 2, like that.
Yeah.
Autistic cases also come under like that? Is it so?
Yes, yes. That is a different study. Not only
Okay.
even digestive symptom, no. See, forget about the sphere of action. When you
Okay.
sit with a patient, when as I said, 35 years old lady says, I am afraid to sleep alone, is something you feel, what nonsense this is. She is so old and she is not able to sleep in a room alone. So you will know,
Okay.
forget ADHD or whatever your diagnosis is. Just to
Okay.
understand patient, it is very, very important. We should know where she's stuck, right?
Oh, yes.
Yeah.
Ma'am, one more thing. You told about the column 1, column 2, column 3 and the symptoms. So,
Yeah.
does it mean that these are the symptoms or these are the type of symptom presented by the person, whether whatever be the system involved?
Yes.
These are,
Correct.
okay, right. Okay.
Yeah.
This
I'll
is
give
the
you one more
sensation,
example.
what they feel.
Yeah,
Okay.
I'll give you one more example. This
Please tell.
fourth column, no? So I had one patient. She came for some other problem. But on probing, no, she was telling me that my son is sent to hostel. He was doing some engineering or something. So I told her, okay, tell me, how do you feel? She told me, I am more worried about his food. See, 18 years old son is going to hostel, and in city where you get everything, but still she is worried about food. And told her, are you not afraid that he may get spoiled by some addiction or some boys may spoil it? Usual question. She said, no. I know my son is very mature. He will not go into smoking or anything. But I am worried, what will he do if he doesn't get food? Is it not very strange that you have a very big college, you have sent your son with multiple canteen facilities are there. You have lot of hotels outside. You shouldn't be worrying. See, generally talking, you shouldn't be worrying. But she was talking so much about food and her son getting starved. Then see, where do you fit this in your, do you put fear of losing food or fear of starvation? You don't find such rubrics, no? So what these type of charts, no, will help you where to go and what to see. Okay, she belongs to this column or she belongs to this row. You will see the drugs which comes under that. So it is help. It will help you in that way.
Okay. So, ma'am, in this case, what you mentioned, is it the mother-child relation?
No, no, no. Yeah, so
No.
it is mother-child relation or
Okay,
her
right.
issues with the, with not getting money, not getting what you see in the fourth row in the mineral kingdom, right? So
Okay.
same.
Uh-huh.
I think
Oh,
I did
thank you,
mistake,
madam.
no, Mamta? It is third row, right?
Third row.
Yeah, sorry.
Yeah.
Yes,
Third
thank
row.
No problem.
Third
Okay.
row.
No problem.
No issues.
All these columns are new to me. So, no
Yeah,
problem. I will
so,
read
no,
it.
no, I cannot misguide you, right?
Okay. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much. It is so enlightening that I can find a way. Where should I
Yeah,
go?
yeah.
Where should I
See,
search?
all these
Yeah, that is.
things are there in, you get all these Dr. Mahesh Gandhi's books in Amazon. You can,
Okay.
before that, you can see lot of videos are there in YouTube. You first get
Yeah, I will go
acquainted,
through.
then,
Yeah.
then you can build up on that, or you can do the course which he does.
Okay, ma'am.
Meanwhile,
This Yakar's book also.
meanwhile, this meeting
Yeah.
may end by in another minute. Yeah. Till that, then we can be talking. 1 minute, I
Yeah,
think.
before that, thank you so much for giving me this opportunity and coming. And I know I'm very immature and very yet to mature, but it was small attempt to,
We all will grow together.
share we all with all you what I have learned. And
And Dr. Vinita ma'am, thank you,
Congratulations,
ma'am.
Jyoti.
Yeah. Yeah, I couldn't hear. Please, doctor. Someone was talking. Hello. Yeah, thank you so much for showing up. It was such a wonderful session. She categorically put all the rows and columns in such a beautiful manner. Actually, I was unaware. I had randomly read here and there and a few remedies in between.